and they said there was no such thing as $25 motorcycles. What is up, guys? Welcome on back to TK's Garage, and today this is a viewer requested video. Shout out to my dude, the Road Glide Rider. He's a moderator here on the channel. He's also a member, and he loves motorcycles. There's a lot of you guys in here that love motorcycles, and to be honest, I don't cover them as much as I should because they normally don't get views. I don't know what it is about the motorcycle videos, but they just, I don't know what it is. I guess YouTube doesn't recommend them. So anywho's, but I still do it because there's several in my community here that ask me for it, and this might entice some people that don't normally like watching auction videos for motorcycles. Who wouldn't want to be able to pick up a Suzuki Gixxer 600 series bike or 700 series bike for $25? Oh, TK's all cap. There's no $25 motorcycles. It's not true. TK doesn't know what he's talking about. There's no cheap motorcycles on Copart. They're all on Crash Toys. Copart doesn't sell motorcycles. Look here, man. Tighten up. We're going to see several bikes. You're going to see a couple at least go for 25 bucks today. And I'm just going by the law of averages. And we'll probably see some go for insane money, but a lot of them are going cheap. This is a Crash Toys auction, not a regular Copart auction, but they're accessed through the same site and through the same app. I know, confusing, but I think you'll be able to follow along. What we're going to do now is we'll jump into the live auction portion so you guys can see what these bikes actually sell for. And then we'll come back and we'll talk about why they are going so cheaper, if they're worth the deals that you're picking them up for.
This is a hot lot. This is a hot lot. New bidder. Bonus time. New bidder. Sold on approval. Sold. New bidder. This is a hot lot. Bonus time. Sold. New bidder. Bonus time. Sold on approval. High participation in the lane. Bonus time. Sold. Bonus time. Sold. 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 New bidder. This is a hot lot. Bonus time. Sold on approval. New bidder. Sold on.
So there you have it. Like I said, you know, oh, they don't have any bikes for 25 bucks. Guess somebody looks stupid. Not me. Like I said, there was bikes that went for like, what, 35 bucks in there? There was bikes that were well up under 100 bucks. I know some people would be like, well, are they worth anything? Hell yeah. Think about this. Some of those bikes that didn't run, that were enhanced, that went for, you know, 600 bucks, 700 bucks, whatever. Those Suzuki parts on some of those bikes, just even if you never fixed the bike, if it never went back on the road, the parts alone, you could triple your money on those bikes. And that's why I said there's all kinds of crazy deals at Copart, man. It's absolutely insane. If you haven't signed up for Copart yet, you got to do it. Copart.com/TK's Garage and jump in. There's no reason why you have to be on the sidelines here and not getting into the auctions yourself. Just do it. Like I said, it's cheap. It's not expensive. I mean, now let me be clear. If you're going to get into the automotive side, you're buying cars and stuff, the car market is insane right now. Car prices are insane. They may not compute in your brain. I get it. But there are still bike deals to be had and boat deals, well, for that matter, to be had. That's a whole nother video. But anyways, hopefully you guys enjoyed the video today. Short video, bonus video for you guys that are always asking me about motorcycles. There you go. We got some good motorcycles to a Crash Toys national auction, and hopefully you guys enjoyed it. And I will see you guys on the next one.
Perfect.